All right, so the daily practice is some review. So it says Rob's review. Rob was solving multiplication problems. Write an expression with parentheses to record his thinking for each of the two problems below. So this is the thinking, and you have to write an expression. Remember, an expression is like 2 plus 2. That's an expression. The equation is 2 plus 2 equals 4. And it also says parentheses. So parentheses are those guys. Okay? So go ahead and give it a try. Do letter A, and then check to see how it went, and then B, and then we'll go from there. All right. Rob solved 97 times 50 by multiplying 100. Let me say this. If I put 2 plus 2 equals 3 plus 1, that's still an expression because there's no answer yet. All right. So I have 97 times 50. So he solved that by saying multiplying 100 by 50 and then removing through groups. So I first did 100 by 50 and then removed 3 groups of 50. So that's the expression, that 97 times 50 equals this. Because look, 100 minus 3, that's 97. Rob solved 25 by 44. 25 by 44. By finding 1/4 of 44 and then multiplying it by 100. So 1/4 of 44 and then multiplied that by 100. Why is that? Because 1/4 is equal to what? 0.25, and 0.25 is 100 times less than 25. So again, this is a review. So this is why we're doing this every day now, so that you bring back and recall some of the math that we've gone over. Evaluate Rob's two expressions. So that means we're going to solve them. So we have 100 times 50 minus 3 times 50, and that is equal to 5,000 minus 150, which is equal to what? 4,850, because 5,000 minus 100 is 490, another 50 is 4,850. And what's this one? 1/4 of 44 times 100, which is equal to 11 times 100, which is equal to 1,100. Rob saw a friend use the standard algorithm to solve the problem 290 times 14. Solve the problem. So go ahead, set it up and solve. I'll go ahead and try it now. 290 times 14. 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 9 is 36. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 3 is 11. So that's 1,000. So 4 times 290 is 1,160. And now we are doing by 10. So I have to add that, write that 0 there. And then it's just 1 times 0, 1 times 9, 1 times 2. So 10 times 290 is 2,900. That's for sure. Then we add. So we have 4,060. Rob said he thought there was a more efficient way to solve this problem and suggested his friend use the ratio table below. Fill in Rob's ratio table. So let's see. So we have 1 is 14, so that means 2 is 28. I can use 3 to add these together to get, what, 42. Then multiply that by 100 to get 4,200. Multiply this by 10 to get 140. And then to get 290, I'm going to remove this 140 from 4,000 to get 4,060. And again, that did feel more efficient, didn't it? So the standard algorithm will correct it if you do it correctly, but it won't always be the most efficient thing to do.